Guys, Eric here at Shaheen Chevrolet. Today I've got the Corvette, and one of the things I'm going to add today is these protective trim rings around the wheels. One of the worst things that could happen to you on the road or if you're on a trip is accidentally curbing your wheel. So this is going to fit right behind the wheel and add some color and protection. The wheel trim rings are installed. Let me know what you think. Do you like them? Do you hate them? Do you love them? I like them, and they'll offer some protection.